Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2018 Honda TRX90X Youth Quad. This little quad's for ages 10 and up. It's got electric start, automatic clutch, super easy to drive. It's got a throttle limiter screw too, so you can make sure they're not going too fast when they get started riding. Come on by and take advantage of this really nice condition 2018 TRX90X for just $29.99. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.